Hey everybody, welcome back to the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. The overland portion of the aftermarket is really hot right now, and instead of being your typical hardcore off-roaders that are trailering their tube chassis Jeeps out somewhere, screwing around for a little while until they break something and going back to the luxury of their toy hauler, these overland guys are usually taking their vehicle out on this hardcore off-road, and they intend to spend a couple of nights out there. So these builds are a lot about saving space and making sure that you're able to get your rations, your tools, and your supplies to be able to stay a couple of nights or even a couple of weeks out in the woods. So oftentimes with these builds, what you're trying to do is you're trying to get the most gear on or in your vehicle that you possibly can, which these roof racks really help out with that. So this is the Mule Expedition Equipment roof rack. The name seems fairly fitting because mules are those hybrid donkeys that take all my gear down to the Grand Canyon when my out-of-shape butt decides to walk all the way down to the base of it. Mule is very much about being utilitarian, as this on their website is only labeled as roof rack. This specific one was built with the space up front for the roof lighting to go on there, but if you don't plan on putting a light bar up there, you can also get one where that fairing is extended all the way up. It's lightweight aluminum, and it has plenty of places to tie down to if you've got those ratchet tie downs to make sure that your gear is staying in place. It is also a modular design, so it comes in all these individual components, and some assembly is required. This will also require you to drill into the cab of the truck. It does have specific measurements in the instructions that tell you, hey, don't drill past a certain point or you're going straight into your headliner and letting winter into your truck. So definitely read the instructions carefully as far as all the measurements. A lot of this stuff doesn't get screwed down and tightened down because they want to make sure that this thing can contour to the design of the roof of your truck. So this one will be going on the Chevy Colorado. So it's going on a plenty capable vehicle. We are lifting that, so be on the lookout for that build video. But this will be a great addition to a great expedition vehicle. So there you have it. We've got the Mule rack up on top of this baby Duramax. This was quite the undertaking. If you are having your buddies over and trying to knock this out in a weekend in your garage, I would definitely say budget at least 9 hours, and even for shops, I would say budget 7 to 8 hours. The instructions are a little bit vague. They only use pictures. It's kind of like IKEA furniture, so definitely keep that in mind, but it does look great, and I think the owner is going to be very happy with what we did. If you like this video, give it a like, and go ahead and give us a subscribe while you're at it. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below.